Yo, so it's probably been like a good, I don't know, week probably since I've been up here. I haven't got out this week. I was pretty busy, but I got up here today for like an hour or two, and got a little prep done. I got some digging done. I think I'm gonna keep doing this, keep stacking. I'm gonna keep getting stone and shaping stone and squaring it up, and keep digging. And then I've been getting clay, screening it out with a screen so I could use it for mixing it with water and maybe some, I don't know, weeds, or get some hay or something, and make it for some concrete. Try that out, see how that works. But yeah, by the end of March, hopefully, when it's like t-shirt weather, good weather, that's when I'm really gonna like start stacking. Like I'll be ready to go, and I can just come up here and just start stacking and take my time with it and make it look good. I got a couple ideas, but here's what I got going so far. Been working on that back wall. I brought it down a little bit. Been digging down a little bit deeper and deeper. I might go deeper. I got my fireplace is all good to go. I've been burning it. I got to build the chimney up a little bit more. But yeah, somebody told me I should go bigger, so I dug it out even more. I'm gonna bring the walls out even more. It's gonna be pretty big. But yeah, that's what I got going. Hopefully by March I'll be fucking hitting it. It's just straight stacking. I'm hoping that I can have it done by in the middle of the summer or something like that. Be nice. We'll see. See what happens. Let me know what you think.